In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix email to Gmail. Having all your emails centralized in one place can really simplify your communication and make managing your inbox a breeze. So, if you're ready to streamline your email management by linking your Wix email to Gmail, follow along with these easy steps. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website. This may seem simple, but it's the starting point of our process. Make sure you've logged into your Wix account with the credentials of the account whose email you're trying to connect. Once there, head over to the inbox. This section is generally where you manage and view all your messages, so it makes sense to kick things off from here. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should spot the settings option. By clicking on this, you'll be privy to various customization and configuration options for your account. It's typically represented by a small gear icon, so keep an eye out for that. After you've accessed the settings menu, look for the section labeled Communication Channels. This is an important hub where you can manage how you send and receive messages through your Wix account. By centralizing your communications, this section can really enhance how you interact with clients or collaborators. Within the Communication Channels area, you'll have the opportunity to connect with Gmail. You'll want to look for an option that says Connect. It's usually clear and straightforward. Simply click on it to start the integration process. You might see a few different email services listed, but because we're focusing on Gmail, make sure that's the one you select. Once you've clicked Connect, a series of prompts will appear on your screen. It's important that you follow these instructions precisely. The steps are usually intuitive, guiding you through any necessary permissions and verifications to ensure the connection is established seamlessly and securely. You may need to log into your Gmail account if you aren't already, so have those details handy. Keep in mind that during this process, it's crucial to check the permissions being requested and ensure you agree to them for a successful integration. This is what allows your Gmail to fully sync with your Wix email, enabling you to send and receive messages from within Gmail itself while keeping everything well organized. And there you have it. Your Wix email is now connected to your Gmail. This connection not only makes it easier to manage your emails, but also enhances your workflow by having everything consolidated in one easily accessible location. Enjoy the simplicity and efficiency of having your communication channels synced up, making your email management tasks just a little bit more pleasant and a whole lot faster. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough helps you enhance the way you manage your emails. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. And I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.